Hi, today I'll show you how to jack up a car and how to take off the wheels, a safe guide for beginners. Put the car in gear and engage the handbrake. Place a wheel chock or even a piece of wood or a brick under the wheel on the opposite side of the car. Take out the jack, which should be in the trunk along with the lug wrench, depending on the car and its equipment. I recommend changing the wheels like I do, meaning first one side of the car and only then the other. Before we lift the car on the jack, we need to slightly loosen the lug nuts. If they are tightened really hard, I recommend putting a piece of pipe over the wrench, just like me. Now, we place the jack in the spot where the sill usually has reinforcement. It's thicker there. This is the dedicated jacking point for the car. If your car doesn't have sills because rust ate them, look for another spot. See the video, just like in the video. Crank the jack until the wheel is about 2 or 3 centimeters off the ground. That's enough. For safety, I also recommend sliding a jack stand or even 3 bricks underneath in case the jack fails. Completely unscrew the lug nuts that we've already loosened. Take off the wheel. Put on the new wheel, meaning the holes in the rim must align with the studs. I recommend using your foot to help you, just like me. Tighten them as much as you can. We'll tighten them more once we lower the car. Lower the car off the jack very slowly. Torque the wheels to the proper spec. If you have a torque wrench, pull until you hear this sound, like in the video. If you don't have a torque wrench, well, just use your own strength. Now we move to the front of the car. Again, we loosen the lug nuts. We look for the same thickened area on the sill and place the jack. If the sills are rotted out, look for a spot like the one in the video. Lift it so the wheel is 3 centimeters off the ground. Place the jack stand or bricks underneath. Unscrew the rest of the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Put the new one on by aligning the holes with the studs and tighten it as much as you can. Slowly lower the car and tighten the wheels with a torque wrench or a manual wrench. Repeat the exact same steps on the opposite side of the car. If this helped you out, subscribe to the channel.